See how it's still wobbly? I don't want that every time I close this door. But it's feeling a little bit stiffer. And I have it almost the same level as the one on the right. But, you know, I'm going to have to go up a little higher. Yeah, that's all. It's just a trial and error thing. This is how you do it. If I had that little tool, I could loosen it. This is working fine. My little nail set. And see, you might have to play around with it a little bit if yours is sloppy in there with the threads, because this I can slightly move it a little bit. And geez, now that I can kind of flop it around, I can grab my fingers on it and kind of shake it a little bit and loosen it up that way. And I just got it up a little bit higher just by doing that. I think I can do that if I have to adjust it anymore, because I can reach it now. Okay? Back and forth I go. Where I stop, nobody knows. Okay. I think you've got it. I think you've got it now. You can check. Just a hair. Okay. Let's try it. Now that I got it up there, I'm going to try my little ladder, because I should be able to see a 3-rung ladder. That thing works so good for all kinds of stuff around the house. This is a Costco, C-O-S-C-O. See how wide this is? And the feet pads are really wide, and it's got this up here to where you can hang on to that. I don't like the two-step ones or anything.
Turn it off.
Oh, I'm adjusting your door. Okay, I got that raised up a little now. Look at that. Still just barely. Just barely. That was sticking up above the edge of the door a lot more than this side. Checking it out. Up. Unscrew this with just a hair more. I want both of them to work about the same. Okay. Now the other trick is you can't get this one up so high that that little outside edge, you know, the ring is going to hit the door jamb, the header. Okay, I still got plenty of clearance. Got about a good 1/16, maybe just a hair more. Because I noticed on one of the ones in the hallway, one of the doors, that top little ring was up just a hair high, and I had to be careful. I had to see, I think I have to adjust it in order for it not to rub on the edge of the header. You don't want it to rub on the edge of here, Okay. Now see, I'm done adjusting. See how this one here, it's slightly up a little bit. Not much. See how this wobbles around now? I mean, that's just how they do. And that one's sticking up just ever so barely. Let's see this one over here. Got this one up a little higher now, don't I? Remember before it was pushed down. So I've adjusted this one probably a good 1/8 of an inch or more. Okay? All right. So all I had to use was one of my nail sets. I think that is good. And I'm calling it done. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to show you next time? Well, you just have to watch to find out.